Good morning. I have a selfie stick which I bought to help with the GoPro. We are here at a fancy donut shop.
Yeah, we're gonna do 2 dozen. That's awesome.
I don't know if you heard that, but excited. Coffee and donuts. Yes. So we were driving and we saw a sign that said the world's oldest spruce, world's largest spruce tree, and we decided to stop and take a little hike to go visit the world's largest spruce tree.
First hike on the peninsula.
First, like hike on the peninsula. We like to hike in the.
We like to hike in the peninsula.
In the peninsula. Did you just trip?
Yeah. I'm good at recovery. I fall a lot, but I catch myself. It's fine.
NANI?!
I get distracted by nature.
Oh, that's one big ass tree. Is that our spruce? Yes. I got you in it, don't worry. I have to be back this far to get the whole tree.
How many Britneys is that tree?
Well, how many Britneys would you need to get the best Brittany Voltron that ever did exist? Oh well, that's way blown out.
Ready to form Voltron! Go! Voltron Force! Form feet and legs! Form arms and body! And I'll form the head!
That's one big tree. Cool. Well, we're gonna do the sequoias next.
Is the size disappointing you a little, Joan?
Yep. Compared to General Sherman, maybe, but
You know
this
what?
is still pretty big.
Different trees.
Different trees. Different ages.
How
But
old
still.
do you think this one is?
I don't know. Hey, so Joan.
No.
This
It doesn't need to get spruced up. It doesn't need to get spruced up.
No, she knew what I was gonna say. Why you take my thunder?
About 1,000 years old. How old enough for you, John?
What?
1,000.
You said it's 1,000 years old? Yeah, I remember when they planted it.
You were there.
Yeah, I was there.
Oh, it's points. How's that 1,000?
191 feet tall, so I can tell you how many Britneys.
191 feet tall.
$36.73.
This is 36.73 Britneys.
Sure is.
$36.73 Britneys.
So approximately 37 Britneys.
Largest western red cedar.
If I was standing on top of my own head, if I was sitting on my shoulders, I'd have to recalculate that, but that would take time. I'm gonna hug it.
That's right. This is gonna be amazing. want to bump my camera. I know. Oh, that smells delicious. Yes, I caress the wood. John, you gotta smell this tree. I know it sounds weird, but you gotta smell it. It's got awesome wood.
So,
Yeah. A little warm.
as you do. As you do.
Look at that tree. You damn tree-hugging hippies.
As you do. You hug it, the tree. Yes, look at how tall this tree is.
37 of me.
37 Britneys. I think this was a nice little stop. It was a 6-day hike, but it was worth it.
6 minutes.
Backpackers info and registration next right. 1. And we are here at the Hoh Rain Forest Visitor Center to try and find out information on best hikes and camping grounds.
It is an actual rainforest.
Fucking deer, fuck you!
Then we've got the spotted owl. I love spotted owls. Then we got flying squirrels. We have different kinds of bats. We got the marbled murrelet. So when I was looking through different jobs, they actually had people that would listen to the murrelets and then those spotted owls as a conservation thing. So when I was doing the frog call surveys, it's very similar to it. But you do rounds every summer and listen to the murrelets and then the spotted owls. Pileated woodpecker. So they had the ivory-billed woodpecker that was native to Louisiana, but that was reliant on really old growth cypress trees, and because of the logging it went extinct, but the closest related one is the pileated, which survives off of mostly carpenter ants. So it's got a much less narrow of a niche than the ivory-billed did. Yeah.
And where are we?
So that's the visitor center for Hoh Rain Forest, and now we're going down the Hall of Mosses trail. We're going to see mosses growing on top of mosses on really old trees.
Yo dog, I heard you like mosses, so we're gonna grow some mosses on your mosses.
We're going to make the most of it.
Yeah, it'll be the most interesting event that you've seen so far.
Must you carry on?
We must carry on.
Carry on my wayward son. There'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest. Don't you cry no more. It's the in-between season. Mm-hmm.
Covered with the flowers. Instantly, I'd like to die in this dream of ours.
I prefer to live in the dream.
No, live the dream.
We are living the dream.
It's pretty though.
This
This is a very rare state of being for the forest. Dry. And sunny. It's very strange.
So we are lucky enough to get here when it is dry and sunny, because when we originally first planned this and we looked up the weather report, Brittany, what did the weather say?
It said 32 and snow.
So we got lucky. It is a nice brisk 60, no, not even 60, like 55?
I think it's 56.
56 and sunny. And I think I'll take that over 32 and snow. What it is. So beautiful, so gorgeous. So considering this sign, this must be the place.
Must you? So the Hall of Moss is aptly named because we've got moss growing on moss, and some ferns. It's all alive. You look at how thick this tree is covered in it. It's kind of like, ugh, crazy.
So I know a lot of people are complaining about my puns, but to me it just sounds like they're just too busy pining.
I kind of liken them.
Oh no, I can't use that. How dare you?
Oh, hello there. Redhead. Oh, that's a woodpecker.
Run, caterpillar, run!
Goodbye, Brittany.
Just don't eat any of the food.
I'm gonna.
So you get stuck in the wall.
I hear a bunch of wasps. It's cold and wet. I'm gonna come back dirty. So we were lucky enough to find this campsite, which is actually not too far from the beach. Wasn't able to quite get one on the beach, but you can see beach is just right there. So not too far of a walk, and we're gonna go ahead and set up a tent. It's kind of windy, but this little area here is kind of blocked from the wind, so we'll go ahead and see how this works out. Hey, so now that we have that all set up, we're gonna try something. Let's try and do something here. It is a little windy, but we're gonna make our way down to the beach, and this is what I'm going to attempt to do is set up a time-lapse video so you can see the sunset. But in the meantime, we'll take some shots of this beautiful beach. Behold. So as you can see, the sun is setting behind us, and I'll show you a little behind the scenes of what I did to help with the time lapse that I'm trying to do, and you can kind of see. Hope you guys can hear me because I have a mic set up. But this is the little time lapse sign I have going on. So hopefully I get a good shot for you guys. Beautiful. Okay, so as we get this fire going, I think we'll go ahead and call it a night shortly. But I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of the Olympic Park. If you do like the video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We come out with videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Catch you guys later.